morning, God is dancing in the sunrise. Baby's crawling on the floor. 'Cause we don't have to go to Mississippi. Bring the river to your side. Let's take a walk, hallelujah. Sun is out, hallelujah. I'm kissing you, hallelujah. Dreaming you, hallelujah. Look at you, hallelujah. Loving you, hallelujah.
Oh yeah, we got some more beeps. Everything hallelujah. I thought we should do this after the Bieber the Biebs Chell. Just do some more beeps, so let's get into it. Alright, we got a C straight up. Just a straight up C major chord. I'll kind of just go through the chords real quick and then I'll explain it. That's the majority. Cool, so we got a C. I think we're going to do that together like this. It's kind of like a little arpeggio, sort of. And then we got like a D, almost like add 4 kind of thing. Like a little crunch there. And then to a G. Kind of like an octave thing. So we're really keeping that F sharp pretty predominant. That's going to be the majority. And then at some point we got the other part, which then goes, I'll play it for you. Cool. So we're doing the normal progression, right? So we got the C to D, and then we got G, and then like a D over F sharp, which is kind of that, but we're gonna just go kind of something like that, like simple. And then we got like an A minor 9. And then we go back to the D, but we're doing this little slide. So I do the D and the F sharp, can hold that. So you go down, 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 down. You sort of slide in between the E and the F sharp. I'm trying to sound like a guitar. I'm always trying to sound like a guitar. Cool. That's gonna be like pretty much the whole thing, practically. So the chorus, we got like
Let's take a walk, hallelujah. Sun is out, hallelujah. Kissing you, hallelujah. Dreaming you, hallelujah. Look at you, hallelujah.
then we got this part.
Loving you, hallelujah. Everything, hallelujah.
Slidey.
Everything, hallelujah. Everything, hallelujah.
That's it. Slidey, slidey, slide. That's it. That's it. So if you want, for some extra kind of guitarness, for just one little slide more, it's just a tiny little bit more, would be like, it's another little slide, slides everywhere. So as you go into that D, you kind of slide off the C sharp. And then you just a little subtle thing like that. That's it. That's about it. Slidey, slidey, slidey. That's all you need. All right, get after it.